Deep squat. You may not think of it as an anti-aging secret, but it might be the one movement your body has been begging for. Most people avoid it because it feels uncomfortable, but discomfort is usually the first sign that you actually need it. Watch any toddler play, and you'll see perfect form without training. And that's because the deep squat is a natural human position. We lose that position not because it's dangerous, but because we stop using it. Modern life gives us chairs, couches, desks, and car seats that slowly steal our mobility. Your hips stiffen, your ankles get tight, and your lower back compensates for everything. Suddenly, simple movements like bending down start to feel like tasks instead of instincts. But the deep squat brings that instinct back by restoring the joints that keep you young. When you sit fully down into a squat, your ankles open and support your balance. Your knees track naturally and absorb pressure the way they were designed to. Your hips loosen and rotate, giving you the ability to stand, bend, and walk without stiffness. Your spine lengthens, decompresses, and finally gets a break from the constant load of sitting. This single movement addresses your biggest pain zones without complicated equipment. It teaches your body to move as one unit instead of isolated, weak parts. It activates the deep stabilizers that protect your knees, hips, and lower back. It also improves circulation into areas that often get neglected by traditional exercise. A full deep squat even massages your digestive organs and improves gut movement. Your pelvis returns to its natural position and reduces pressure on the lumbar spine. Your glutes fire properly, helping you generate power during daily activities. If you feel stuck at the top and can't go all the way down, that's normal. That struggle is your body telling you exactly where it's tight and what needs attention. Holding the bottom position for a few seconds each day can transform everything. You don't need to chase weight, reps, or speed. You just need to get comfortable sitting deep again. Over time, this improves balance, coordination, and joint health all at once. It makes walking easier, sitting easier, standing easier, and lifting safer. It keeps your legs strong, your hips open, and your back pain-free. It helps you move like someone younger because it trains the patterns of youth. This is why cultures that still deep squat daily stay mobile for far longer. They don't think of it as exercise, but simply part of life. If you want to age well, you need movements that preserve natural function. The deep squat does exactly that by returning you to the way your body was designed. It supports your muscles without straining your joints. It restores mobility without forcing flexibility. It strengthens your entire body without complicated routines. It teaches your brain to reconnect with positions it forgot. It improves posture even when you're not thinking about it. It fixes imbalances that build up from years of sitting and poor habits. It gives you stability, so you stop relying on your lower back for everything. It increases ankle mobility, so your knees stop absorbing unnecessary stress. It lubricates your hip joints and boosts long-term joint health. It enhances circulation, which helps relieve inflammation and stiffness. It supports the pelvic floor and core without crunches or machines. It reduces the risk of falls by improving coordination and balance. It keeps your lower body strong enough to prevent age-related weakness. It helps you lift objects safely without straining your spine. It gives you the confidence to move freely again. It slows the physical aging that comes from inactivity and stiffness. It resets your body from the inside out. You can do it at home, at work, or anywhere you have a little space. You don't need equipment, experience, or a gym membership. You just need consistency and patience. Start with holding the position for a few seconds each day. Let your heels drop naturally without forcing anything. Let your hips sink as far as they comfortably can. Let your spine stay long instead of collapsing forward. Let your body slowly relearn the movement it once mastered. Over time, the deep squat becomes easier and more natural. Your joints feel younger, your muscles activate better, and your movements feel smoother. It becomes a daily reset for your entire body. And the more you practice it, the more you realize it was never just an exercise. It was a missing piece of your natural movement all along.